So you want to make fajitas, but you need to know how to cut an onion for a fajita. I got you covered. I'm April. This is Handmade Healthy. I'm a dietitian and I'm here to make healthy eating simple, fun, and doable. Let's dive right in. If you've ever struggled with cutting onions for fajitas, today I'll show you the easiest way to slice onions so they look perfectly in your sizzling skillet. We'll also talk about how to choose the best onions for fajitas and a quick tip to avoid tears while chopping. Step 1 is choosing the right onion. When it comes to fajitas, you want to look for yellow or white onions. Yellow onions are slightly sweet and mellow as they cook, while white onions being a sharper, more Tex-Mex flavor. Look for onions that are firm with a dry, papery skin. This will give you the freshest slices. Step 2, you want to make sure you're using a clean, sharp knife. And that tip to avoid tears, here it is. Chill your onion in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. It helps reduce the stinging onion fumes. Step 3, how to slice the onions for the fajitas. You're going to start by trimming off the end of the onion. Then slice the onion in half from the root to the stem. After that, you can go ahead and peel the skin off of the onion. Lay the flat side down on the cutting board and slice thin, even strips following the natural lines of the onion. These long slices are perfect for fajitas. They'll caramelize beautifully in the pan. And that's how you cut onions for fajitas. If you found this was helpful, make sure you give it a like, and if you don't mind, please subscribe for more quick kitchen tips. While you're here in the comments, what's your favorite fajita topping? Let me know. I'd love to see it.